Okay guys, my name is Erwan. I am one of the founder of the brand AKRONE, and actually we're a French micro brand, and as you can imagine, it's not so easy for a small brand like us to be known and to be visible for our customers, and moreover when it's foreigner customers. So that's why I decided to make a small video to show you who we are, what we do. Actually we do watches, and we make watches since 7 years now. So hope you will enjoy. We want to show you our workshop. We are here in the center of Nantes, and let's get in, and I'm going to show you the team. Jeff, one of the other founder of the brand, and here we are in our office, and it's also a showroom, and this is Nicolas, one of our customer as well. So here you can find some of our watches that we do. Some diver watches, some other kind of watches that are more dress watch like this one. But you can have a look at our website and you will see all what we can do and what we do actually. So let's get in. This is where we make the watches and where we assemble it, and we also manage everything about the after sale service. So they are very quiet, they were working there. This is Victor, working on the, I don't know.
On a chronograph.
Chronograph, actually. Very nice one. This is one that we made a few years ago. And everyone is very quiet, this is amazing. It's only for the video, otherwise it's not like this. So here we have some other watches that we do. Right now this is a CO4. Ready to go for our first customers. This is CO2, not ready. As you can see, the bezel is missing here, but we're gonna do this very soon. We have some stuff here to work with. This is to see if the movement is working very well. This is to see if it's water resistant. So this is really convenient to use. And that's it. So this is the workshop. Maybe we can have a look at the other part of our office. On the other side we have Thomas as well. Thomas is working with us. He has his own company, sorry, and he's doing some engraving, hand engraving. Ça va Thomas?
Ça va, ça va.
This work is amazing, and he's working with us on a watch right now on CO4. So again, it's on our website, so if you want any information you can have a look at it on the www.akrone.fr, and you will find all his work and our collab that we did together. So thanks a lot. You're the best.
You're welcome.
You're the best. So this part is where we prepare all the watches. Today it's quite empty, the office is empty because it's Friday, so as you can imagine everyone is already in the weekend. But this is, for example, some watches that we prepared. Oh, it's not prepared here, it's over there. As you can see, there's watches, and customers, when we receive the orders, we do everything here. We have some packaging here. And then we can deal everything about the order and the expedition here. So that's very convenient because we have a huge office and we have enough space to work with the workshop on the other side, and here in the preparation area, if you want to call it like this. So on the other side we have a little office. This is the bunker where we have all the watches. You won't see anything, but here we can work on some samples or some prototypes. Here we have a laser, so we can work on it. We can cut some ends, the dials, and some stuff like this. Here we can print some dials. I made some stuff to try with. Here, this is to send the watches if we need it, or the dials or whatever. Here I can paint as well, so we are trying some good stuff around this, but it's not here that we make all the watches, of course. It's just about doing some samples and doing some prototypes here. So here is just my workstation, so I can do the design and work on all the design of the watches. So actually, I hope that you did really like what you've seen here, and I hope you can have some questions and that you will have a look at our website. So don't hesitate, just send me a message or email or whatever, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.